Pogunan Hotel, modern calm. Step inside Pogunan Hotel, where modern design meets ultimate comfort. Each standard room features a smart Netflix display, a massage chair, and a custom armchair. Functional comfort meets relaxed entertainment. Deluxe suites elevate the experience with integrated sauna rooms and cozy twin lounge seating. These spaces are tailored for longer stays and elevated relaxation. The facade of Pogunan Hotel reflects its simple yet strong identity. Designed to blend in with its surroundings, it still manages to stand out as a modern landmark. Neutral tones and soft indirect lighting define the guest room ambience. Every detail is designed for comfort, focused on peace of mind. The corridor walls are wrapped in 90,027,009 mm marble sintered stone. A high-gloss finish reflects both light and design precision, creating a sophisticated pathway. From the street, Pogunan Hotel positions itself as a quiet, quality destination in the heart of the city. It promises a serene escape from the urban bustle. In-room office furniture and textured feature walls complete the business room setup. It's the perfect environment for working travelers seeking productivity and style. Want to create a hotel that feels tailored, not templated? Work with STL Hotel Furnishing for smart solutions from lobby to room.